Good morning, employers. My name is Jonalis Cantiga. I am 42 years old. I have a college student son in the Philippines. I've been working here in Hong Kong for 16 years. Here at my present employer, I've just started working last June 11, 2024. But I just find that some working issues and some working situations that may lead me into health issues in the long run. So I decided I want to break my contract here. I know this will be a disadvantage because it will take long time to wait, but I will make sure when I will be starting working with you, I will do my work efficiently, I will do my work properly and within your liking. Within my past employers, I was working, doing some household works, going to the market, buying some groceries, doing some errands outside the house, doing the laundry, do the ironing, and do some light cooking. And most of it, I have a pet or a dog to take care. I don't have experience working in a family with children or infants or elderly. Most of the family that I was working are only couples at home and only have pets to take care. I prefer working alone, and if possible, I want to live out. And I am a very independent person. I can do my work independently. I am a hardworking and I am efficient worker, or I mean helper, and I am easy to learn and I can follow instructions well. I think these are the things that mostly you want to know about me, but if you want to know more, you can message me on my profile in this Helpers Library app. Thank you so much and God bless us all.